Several people have asked how I fold my bed sheets. So, pillowcase, just fold it like everybody does. In half and half again, and then the other way. Now, this is the bag that I saved from something else, and it works great for storing my bed sheets. So let's take a look at these. Let's see, this is another set of pillowcases. These sheets are actually from Walmart, and I love them because they have a top-bottom tag, and this big fat elastic goes all the way around, and then at the corners it actually has elastic that goes this way. So love these. All right, your sheet comes out of the dryer. It's all just a mess. Put it face down and start folding in. Now, this is not how I normally do mine, but a lot of people find this easier. Just fold in all the way around. And even if you don't have elastic all the way around your bed sheets, same thing, just fold it in. Okay? Doesn't have to be the neatest. What you're trying for is just to get it flat, okay? I'm trying to stay on camera. Slippers off. So, yeah, you just tuck all that in, fold it in. All right, back on camera for you. Once you've got all that folded in, fold it in half. It's not going to be the neatest, but that is all flat. Then fold it the other direction. Now I'm going to show you a different way how I fold mine, but this is for people that really struggle with getting them flat. All right? That side's the flattest. I'm going to go over like a third. Then take it, fold it again. See how flat that is? Then take and fold those in. Fold that one in, fold it in half. Now that's not the neatest thing you ever saw, but that's a pretty flat bed sheet. Now, how do I do mine personally? Let's mess it up. Just came out of the dryer. Here's a corner. Put my hand in. Follow till I find the next corner. Right sides are up. Make them kiss each other. Take this hand and grab this one and just fold it over. Okay? Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to follow it and find the next corner. Put this hand in. Line up those lines. That's your corners. Okay? Now I've got 3 corners here. I still need 1 more. So my hand is going to hold that. And I'm going to follow this around and look for that last corner. And it's actually right under here. So at this point, I'm going to change hands, and that bottom corner is going to come up from the bottom. Okay? It was like this, and we were piling on top. All I did was put this hand in, took the last corner, and I'm going to grab it and stick it inside. So here's all 4 of my corners lined up, right? So I've got this fold, and then if I reach in here, there's the other fold. Just going to shake those. Got to shake it out. Change hands, and I'm going to find my other two folds. These are both on the outside. Shake it out. Lay it down. All my elastic is right here. It's all the elastic from all the way around. Fold it in half. And then again, fold in, and this time I'm getting to fold two in, and then fold over. Nice and flat. That's how I do my own bed sheets. So, whichever way you find that you can do them, it takes up so much less space than this being thrown in your closet. So, and it just takes some getting used to. And remember too, this is a king sized. So my corner and my corner, my next corner, change hands, last corner comes in from the bottom, straighten the two elastics here, the two elastics here, lay it down flat, fold all that over, then go in, and because this is my extra, it's ready to go back in my bag. Okay? And I just keep these all in the closet. This is just a flat king, and so I just fold it like you would fold any blanket or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Just get it folded. Then it goes in. Yeah, because these sheets are like a motel grade from Walmart, they are thick. They will take up more space. But this is king size, so they also come with 4 pillowcases, which is nice to have on hand. So, there we go. I'm going to zip it up, and this is actually my extra. I have 2 sets of these. One stays on the bed, and when I wash, it goes right back on the bed. And the other set stays in the guest bathroom linen closet, because my bathroom does not have one. And somewhere there should be a label that says king sized. Maybe not. Maybe it fell off in all this. But anyway, I generally have all my sheets then labeled as to what they are. I only keep 1 extra set per bed. That's it. Hope you enjoyed. Thumbs up. Questions, let me know. I do read all my comments. And if you're interested in anything else, I do normally coloring videos, coloring book reviews. I also have videos on how to organize and declutter your refrigerator and your refrigerator's freezer. So yeah, look around. Thanks.